How do you say good night in Portuguese? The word good night in Portuguese is boa noite. Boa noite. Boa noite até amanhã. Boa noite até amanhã. Good night, see you tomorrow. Boa noite, meu amor. Boa noite, meu amor. Good night, my love. Dorme bem e boa noite. Dorme bem e boa noite. Sleep well and good night. Boa noite can mean good evening or good night, depending on the context. You can also use it to say goodbye at night. Boa noite, pai. Boa noite, pai. Good night, Dad. Boa noite e sonha comigo. Boa noite e sonha comigo. Good night and dream of me. Boa noite, foi prazer. Boa noite, foi prazer. Good night, it was a pleasure. So if you want to say good night in Portuguese, you can say boa noite. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!